animals and nature, whale songs across oceans. In the sparkling waters of the Pacific Ocean, a young grey whale named Glimmer lived happily with her family. Each spring, they migrated north to Alaska, singing beautiful songs that echoed across the vast ocean. One day, while exploring the seafloor, Glimmer found a broken shell, unlike any she had seen before. Glimmer was drawn to the strange object and swam deeper into a hidden underwater cave, surrounded by glowing bioluminescent creatures that cast an eerie light. There, she discovered a small pod of humpback whales, who were known for their long songs. Glimmer listened intently as they sang melodies more beautiful than any she had ever heard. The kind humpback whale named Harmony approached Glimmer and invited her to join their pod for a while. Glimmer was amazed by the complexity of their songs and how they communicated with each other. She felt a strong connection to these new friends and spent days learning their beautiful melodies. One day, as Glimmer and the humpback swam through warm waters, they were suddenly surrounded by playful dolphins. The dolphins taught Glimmer new tricks and showed her how to catch fish with her flippers. Glimmer was thrilled to make even more friends in this incredible ocean. On her journey, Glimmer also met turtles who were preparing to lay their eggs on a sandy beach. They showed Glimmer the importance of protecting the nesting grounds and how they traveled great distances to return to the same beaches year after year. Inspired by the turtles, Glimmer decided to share their message with others. She returned to Alaska and taught the grey whales about the importance of protecting nesting grounds and the connection between different marine animals. The grey whale spread her message far and wide. Years passed, and Glimper grew older, but never forgot the lessons she had learned. She continued to sing songs that connected all the marine animals in the ocean. One day, as she sang near a glowing coral reef, every animal gathered around her, singing together in perfect harmony. As the sun set and stars twinkled above, Glimper felt content, knowing that she had made a difference in the ocean. She continued her journey, swimming through a beautiful kelp forest filled with fish and other marine animals. One night, as Glimper swam beneath a glowing full moon, she heard a familiar sound, the songs of her friends, the humpback whales. She swam towards their melodious voices and was greeted by Harmony, who beamed at her with happiness. Glimper realized that her mission was complete. The ocean was filled with harmony, and every creature knew their role in maintaining balance. As she swam further north, Glimper heard the cry of a newborn grey whale, and she felt a sense of pride and fulfillment. Glimper knew that her journey was far from over, and she continued to explore the vast ocean, learning from other creatures and spreading her message of unity. And so the story of Glimper and her song across the oceans lived on, inspiring a new generation of curious marine animals. Glimper's journey was a reminder that every creature has a role to play in the grand scheme of life. Through friendship, understanding, and the power of communication, we can create harmony in our world. Glimper's song will forever echo across the oceans, inspiring a message of unity for generations to come.